Well, what kind of a plate is this? Why you got foot there like that?
What kind of foot? A foot that?
Yeah, this is a foot like a dog foot.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, I don't know if you see the video already. I don't know if you see the video already, but guess what? George bust off my head last night. Guys, remember me said me that I do one Q&A? So yesterday even me set up the camera. Me just put the camera on the I put one of the camera them on my ring light, but it never turn on. I may leave and go out on the road, go do some business with my family member. And when me come back, guess what George do, guys? Me can't believe all now. I mean, it's a prank war and it was about time in prank me. Guys, when me come back, me never know say George set up the other camera. Me see the ring light, but because me know the camera wasn't on, cause that one control from my phone. So me never turn it on. Cause me know say me a wait till, you know, little more in the night, then would I do the Q&A. But the man outsmart me, guys, and set the other camera up in the house and me never see it. And guys, it really get me. Thank God me never ball because me that really embarrassed. But anyways, guys, what me I gonna do with him today? It may not be a long prank, but look, I buy one dog bowl of Burlington. Look on it, guys. I buy it about 2 weeks now, but couldn't get the right time to do this. So guys, in Ghana church, so normally when he go church and come back, he normally very hungry. He normally hungry when he come from church. So guys, me I try hurry up and done cook. And when he come and ask me for share it in dinner for him, guys, guess what? At this him I get it in a. Let me see if I'm gonna notice that it's a dog bowl. So guys, like me say, hopefully me get him reaction. It's just kind of like a reaction video. If you see what I say about me giving him the food out of this. But guys, you know, sit back, relax and wait for this. So me I go make case and done cook. By the time come from church, we can serve him in a pan. Alright guys, I love you. You can't sit down, come. You want drinks?
Yeah, we drink.
Want open this? Let me get the glass.
Go ahead.
Okay. So I'm still on nothing. Me I share up this. That's why me I tell you how much. Where you want the ackee or the? You want the ackee with this? The ackee. All right.
Why did you put after?
All right.
Let me check the plate.
No, it's all right.
This plate.
We have one next plate. Sit down.
The other one,
Big one.
Yeah. Let me take that.
I want the ackee already, but I want this.
Oh, what are you doing with the camera?
Camera, I don't know if I'm on it. The camera don't hear from last night as of no, this morning. We don't do rare. You want this?
Hmm?
You want breadfruit or I eat that first? You want breadfruit?
I can't eat everything one time like that.
At 3 or not?
Oh, okay, put two there.
This one.
This is your no mine.
What you can do, yours, what you can do is put the breadfruit with the color. You can't mix up everything one
Okay.
time.
Festival.
It tastes what?
Hmm?
You say it tastes what?
Okay, festival.
Oh yeah. We have a little bit more though.
That's good.
Yeah. And I look a plate for myself.
Why they didn't choose no other name for you? They gave it. Why did they give it festival?
You know, I don't know why they call it so. We always wonder to what the answer, I don't know. I don't know why they call it festival.
To try and find out.
We don't call it fried dumpling.
Festival.
I would definitely call it fried dumpling.
The you want it too?
No, yet. Yes, really good.
It come out mixed already like that. You don't put no sugar, no nothing.
I don't add nothing to it but water. That's all you have to add. No water, no salt, no nothing. You just add water and let it sit for like 15 minutes or so. And then you take your right.
Like how you do dumplings.
Dumpling, you have to add things.
No, what I'm saying is,
Dumpling, you have to add stuff to it. You have to
I
add
know. After you add all when you do dumpling, you still leave it,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm. You think you have to take off your hat when you eat?
I forgot it was in my head.
Mm. When we cook, we're not hungry now.
Myself too.
That's why I want people to cook and give me.
Mm-hmm.
You know, when people cook give me enjoy the food better. Mhm. Oh, what's church?
Church was good.
We need to literally start cook on a Saturday, cook dinner on a Saturday and go to church on a Sunday morning. Me alone can't just come out of the church and me not go. God has blessed me too much for me can't come out and go give him praise. You like a new plate?
Hmm?
You like a new plate?
This?
Mm-hmm.
Which kind of a plate is this? But I gave you that plate. Why you didn't put my food there?
Because I've been already, I got my tell you.
But which kind of a plate is this?
I make a plate there for you.
Hmm?
I mean, you love eat out a big plate, so I buy that one there for you.
No, this was the plate I was supposed to eat from.
But me tell you, so we can't mix up the ackee and the taro together, so I put your plate, your food in that one.
But which kind of a plate is this? Why you got foot there like that?
What kind of food? A food that?
Yeah, this is a foot like a dog foot.
Because it's a dark plate.
But why you gonna go put my food in a dog thing?
Because them that show me that at work and I say, no, you love eat out a big plate, so I take it.
So it's a dog thing, that's why am I a dog?
I don't call you a dog, but I know you like eat out a big plate and I never want to see them show me the dark plate. And then buy another one for the dog.
But how they buy stuff for a dog? How will you come and put my food there? Didn't I give you wanted to use this small one, I gave you this bigger one.
But wash it. It's clean.
How are you gonna wash? That's no. Look, what kind of a thing is this?
Wash it clean. And the dog clean.
A dog?
Yeah.
You give me food in a dog thing?
The dog clean, I said. The dog clean.
That's okay. But how are you gonna do that?
But you almost don't eat, so might as well you finish it.
I didn't pick it up. I thought this is a new stuff, that whatever it is, and because I'm wondering, I gave you the plate. I gave you the plate to put my food inside here.
Just finish eat it. You're halfway there.
Hey, listen to me. What are you talking about?
You're ungrateful here?
What do you mean ungrateful?
I think you don't like the plate.
I do not like this plate.
But if me never draw your attention to it, you wouldn't say nothing. Me just think
No,
say,
no. Listen.
you should have tell me thank
listen,
you.
Listen. You took me off guard because you went to get this smaller plate, and I said no, I want the bigger plate. Okay, so you put this over here. That's why me ask you. I said, is that mine? Because I know this is not what I gave you. I gave you the bigger plate.
Well, finish that. You're almost done. Stop being
Me know,
ungrateful.
me
Just
know
tell me
it.
thank you.
Me know it is man. Me know it, yeah, anymore. That's okay. That's okay, man. It's not right, man.
All right.
No, it's not right. I don't like it, man. Why you go put stuff in this for me?
But just not think about your son. I never want to waste the plate.
No. You call me. No. What?
Then they would show where the plate and then buy a new one for the dog and me tell them forgive me.
So
And you like eat with a big plate.
that's not. No, I don't eat in this. I thought it's something different. That was when I'm asking you. I said, wait a minute, because I was expecting my stuff to come in this.
Say no, still food them on there.
Listen, look, prior to what you said, I wasn't looking at all these things. I was looking what was inside. I wasn't paying attention to here.
Alright, so the camera on. Guys, get your reaction. You know, if we get the reaction from him, but we gotta look for from him because he did eat. But him same thing is a different kind of plate. But for you see the dark part, them, you know,
I did not. My mind was not onto this. All this design, yeah, my mind wasn't into it. The main question that I ask you is before ever I touch, because I was waiting for that. I was waiting for that
Guys,
plate.
I almost couldn't hold it out because he did ask me say if me want him give me a plate. Me have to go over this and start hide my face because I want to laugh. Me couldn't keep a straight face, guys. Me couldn't keep a straight face. But then if you see him eat and don't even realize that it's a dark plate. Guys, would never give him out a dirty dark plate. Me telling you in the intro already, I buy this about 2 to 3 weeks ago in Burlington and said I'll do one prank on him with it. But anyways, guys, I hope to get the reaction from him. He pranked me last night, so I'm good for him, guys. He pranked me last night, take me off guard. And the only reason why he catch me, I can't like me telling me they put up the camera stand and everything and go up on the road. And when we come back, we should do the Q&A, which we're going to do the Q&A later. And because we never know when put up the other camera, that's the only reason why he catch me, guys. But anyways, hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you never miss one of our videos. Guys, but I never give out one dirty plate. Look on it.
She tried to confuse me. That's what she did. She confused me that she don't want me make. The reason why I wanted that.
Guys, you want to take up this one, sister? Guys, different plate.
No, you not take up. It was over there. It was over there. You put it by your side over there. So me was waiting for this plate right here, and I wanted half kalaloo and saltfish and half kalaloo and
Anyways, guys, no matter which way it go, look at him, right? So soon in the next video.
Okay, well, so you
tell them something.
Okay, guys, she said she caught me. That's fine. Okay, she can take it. Well, now you're gonna do stuff 2 times. Now,
guys, you comment and tell me where you think if they catch him or not.
No, I'm not saying you didn't catch me. Okay, that's fine. So I want it over there on my plate, and now you're gonna walk 2 times.